All right, hello everyone. So these are going to be this is basically the demo for our yeast lab that will be due the week we come back from spring break. So just a reminder, I'm doing this demo after already running the experiment. So some of the measurements that are on your worksheet will be changing. Okay, some of them is not per measuring spoon or measuring cup. Okay, and you'll see that in this video. So please use the demo as your protocol instead of the protocol on the lab worksheet. Okay, you'll get results a lot better this way. Okay, so again, a few things that you're gonna need: empty water bottles. Um, so I know it says masking tape, and that's to label the water bottle. I do not have any on me, but I do have a Sharpie. So um, the first water bottle, of course, is going to be A. Okay? So that makes it easier to remember. A is going to be the warm water. I will be just doing this once with the warm water. You will be doing it a second time with cold water. Okay? And I'll go over that at the end. So first thing I'm going to do, of course, you need a water bottle. You need measuring spoons. So I have the 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon. And then the 1 teaspoon. Okay. I also have the half a cup. Okay. And that's just to pour the water. I have a bowl here already ready with warm water. So it's hot enough where I can still put my finger in it. Okay. But not boiling and not too cold. So the hottest you can possibly get it without you burning yourself, that's basically the perfect temperature, okay? Usually that'll be around 110, under 110 degrees, which is perfect for our little friends here. So this is the active yeast that you will need. So I use this one. Of course, it doesn't have to be exactly these. They could be different as well, okay? So let's get started. So first thing, of course, you want to prepare. So before I, and also you will need your table sugar. So I have it in this neat container. Okay. So first things first, you want to open your packet of the yeast. Make sure that you've shaken it all so it's at the bottom. Take your scissors and open it at the top. Makes it easier to put the spoon in. Okay. Once you have that open, just put it off to the side. Just make sure it doesn't fall. All right. Grab your water bottle. Grab your warm water. And you are going to fill this water bottle halfway. Okay. So I know that on the worksheet, it gives you an actual measurement, but actually just fill the water halfway. So halfway up the water bottle is perfect. Okay. So I'm just going to fill it up here. Make sure you don't spill all over your table. So I put it over the bowl so I don't spill. So maybe a little more. So that's about halfway. Okay, so halfway on the water bottle. All right. So now you can put all that to the side. Next, you are going to put your sugar. Okay. So your sugar is going to be 1 full teaspoon. If you have a funnel, or if you're really good, I'm sorry, 1 full teaspoon. Tablespoon, I'm sorry. If you have a funnel or at home, then you can use a funnel so you can directly put it in. If you're really good at just dumping it in, go for it. I'm really clumsy, and I'm also very cheap. So I made a nice, cute little funnel out of paper. Okay, all you gotta do is roll it up and put it in there. There we go. Perfect funnel. Okay, you'll take 1 complete tablespoon. Okay, 1 complete tablespoon and put it into the water. Okay, 1 tablespoon is all you'll need. Okay, after you put the sugar, you're gonna take your yeast. So let me put this away. so no yeast gets in there because the yeast will actually eat the sugar. You're going to take 2 teaspoons, so again, teaspoons of the yeast and pour it in there. It's going to be 2 teaspoons. Okay, that's almost the whole packet if you're using the packet. Okay, all right. Once you are done there, you're going to take this off. You're going to grab the balloon, okay, stretch it out a bit. Okay, make this quick. So just stretch it out a bit. And you're going to put the balloon over the water bottle. Okay, now comes the important part. Do not shake up and down. You're going to swirl it for at least 20-30 seconds. Okay, because you want that yeast to mix in with the sugar. Okay, so this should be fairly warm because again, you put in warm water. So all you got to do is kind of swirl it around, maybe shake it a little. All right, now comes the boring part. You are going to put a timer on your phone and you are going to basically time this for 50. So you're going to put a stopwatch. So let me reset this. So you'll put a stopwatch. Let me see a little. I wonder, too much glare. You're going to put a stopwatch and you're going to just hit it. Okay. So you put a stopwatch you're going to time this for 15 minutes. Okay. So 15 minutes, you're going to see bubbles happening here. You're going to see this kind of inflate very slowly. So remember that it's the CO2 coming up. Okay. Every about 2 minutes or so, just kind of swirl it around. It's just so the yeast can get all that sugar that's probably like at the bottom. And you're going to see this slowly inflate. Okay. You are going to do all those same steps with the cold water, and you'll be able to record it onto your worksheet. After about 15-20 minutes, so I had this prepped already for you, you're going to see something like this. Okay? Every 5 minutes, you're going to take your string, wrap it around your balloon. All right. So my balloon is about yay thick around. That is my circumference of my balloon after 20 minutes. Okay? I'll take a ruler, measure it, and put it down on my worksheet. All right, guys. So that's it. Simple enough. Again, a lot of this is just waiting for something to happen because that's science. Every 2 minutes, shake it around. That's about it. All right, guys. Hope that helped, and I'll see you. Have a great spring break. I'll see y'all in 2 weeks.